True to our core value of innovating simplicity, we tried to do this as well with our warranty process. If you have an issue that you have a question about, maybe your door isn't closing properly, maybe you have some water leaking through a window, something that shouldn't be happening, here's the steps to take care of that. Simply call Edifice, whether you call the number off of Google Maps or our website, or contact the consultant who worked with you, and they can direct you to our warranty department. But call Edifice. We will take down your information, we will find the order of your building, and we will fill out a simple warranty form that we then submit to our warranty department. Our warranty department will review that, contact you to schedule a time to come out and take care of the issue, and then we will show up and assess the situation, make the repair, make the replacement, and make sure that the issue is resolved. And we'll take a few pictures and we'll be on our way.